Right here, folks, see, but I've put all the glass in the windows here and put the new brickwork fittings that we're missing on here. So what I'm going to do for now is just do try to fit these doors, just to make sure everything's going to plan. I can't use all the original screws, but I can use some of them, so I can. I've got the holes marked. Aye, Sara's making pelmets for the windows. So all I'm doing here is just gluing on a wee run for it to go on to. I'm just using a bit of usual contact adhesive for this here. Nothing fancy, nothing special, just a bit of varnish. Varnish softwood, and this is going to go across there like that. My big head's probably getting in the way again on it. One for this side. This will also hold in the window frame, so using that there just for that. Okay. Squeezing the hole, let it dry. And that's on solid. Just do the same with the other side now here. It's also clamped up at the minute, so I'll have to Oh, you can't see nothing there, can you? It's all clamped up at the minute, so it is. So once that area is dry, we'll get on with the rest. Hello folks, I just wanted to pop in here at this point just to let you know that this is the last in this part of the series, because at the minute the house will be going back to Sara, so it will, and she'll be doing her bits and pieces. And I'll hopefully have to be able to come back after that. There are a few other bits and pieces that I have to get finished off on it, or add to it once she's done her bit. Thanks very much if you've been watching the whole series the whole way through. I really appreciate it, so I do. And at the end of this here video, I'll be sticking in some full shots and stuff like that with some mock furniture which I've made myself, just to put in it, just to, so you can see what can be done to it. And hopefully a couple of interior views as well, with my new people, if I can work out how to work it. But it's not new, it's borrowed, so it is. But that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you all new subscribers. Please keep watching the channel and stuff like that. And if you enjoyed this video here, give it a wee like and subscribe if you can. Helps me, I believe. Leave a wee comment if there's any questions. Alright, all the best. See you later. That's the basics of the top bit done, so that'll do for that wee piece for now. Right, be back in a minute. Now here I'm just going to scribe some indents along the edge of the lampshade, just to give the effect of like being joined. Now Sara had these here stir rods in her wee bag of tricks, so I won't be using them, and I hope she doesn't mind because these aren't cheap. I'm going to use them to help make this light. And what my intentions are, just show you quickly here, is where I've made the top casing for the light here, I'm going to be inserting these, 3 of them to hold, and on top there I'll be using a brass cap for the top, so I will. I'm hoping that will look good. So I'll get on with cutting these, and I'll bring you back when I'm gluing everything together. So I will. Here I've got the legs on, so I have. So now all I've got to do is just make a wee bit of a hole for the top of the bulb to sit, so it sits in place neatly. and it's a bit more user friendly because it obviously has to come off to change the bulbs. And off picture, I knocked down all my drill bits, so I'm on the floor here, finding the right one. Lucky enough, one of the first ones I came to. I'll pick them up in a minute, otherwise I'll lose them for life on my floor. And this is just widen it out a wee bit more. I'm hoping that should be enough. Glass is back on. Pop it in place. Cut it off. Like so. And what we'll do now is we'll just go and test it before we actually paint it. Exterior homemade light.